In this video guys, I'm going to share with you the method and strategies that helped me to earn $10,211 with Pinterest affiliate marketing using free traffic. And they made this commission just in 13 days. From the first day of this month of July until the day 13th of July. I made $10,211. This is my commission. This is my clicks, CTR, people who used my affiliate links to buy those services or products and so on. Okay. I will share with you guys all my methods, so you just need to copy and paste and make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new methods. And let's get started. Okay, so this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot guys. I can click here. This is my dashboard. This is I have marketing tools here, reports, payments, post back, sub affiliates, commission plan, affiliate store. Even my ID is here. I don't have to show that, but that's fine. Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one guys, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, let me show you. So this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, so just click on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. This is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. They are not paying few cents, they are paying good commissions. Okay, so just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private, scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. I'm gonna choose no. Choose your country from here and choose your language. Okay, and if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. It will take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, all you have to do now is you just need to choose good services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting always on Pinterest. Okay, I will click on this. So what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search, okay, and search for Pinterest marketing. Okay, search for this service. Okay, so why I choose this service? So since we will promote our affiliate links on Pinterest, I will choose services related to Pinterest, services that will help people who are using Pinterest to grow their Pinterest account, to grow their businesses on Pinterest, and so they can buy those services from me and they will earn commission. Okay, that's why I choose this one, Pinterest marketing. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. So I will just click on his service. So just click on his service. So for example, let's choose this one. So I will click on his service like this and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, like this. You will be directly in this seller profile page. And as you can see guys, this is the proof that people who has Pinterest account, they are buying those services. Do you see how many orders in queue? Okay, it's 40 orders in queue. Okay, 40 orders in queue. That's really a big number. Do you see how many people paid for this service? Do you see over here people keep coming back? Those people who keep saying in the comments it's not working, it's gonna not, people will not buy those services from you. Do you see how many people already paying for this service? Anyway, so what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller, you will go back, click on publish, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. Okay, it's super easy. This will be your picture. So for you guys, like I said, it's better to upload video here. This will be your Fiverr affiliate account. This is your title, and this is your description. And people who are interested to grow their Pinterest account, they will see your pin on Pinterest, and they will click on your affiliate link, for example, like this. They will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. Okay, let me show you. And here you go, you will be directly in this seller profile page. Click on continue, buy this service from you, and you will earn commission. That's how it works. Okay, you just need to stay consistent, keep promoting a lot of services related to Pinterest on Pinterest, and you can make a lot of money with this method. It's not easy, but it's simple, because you need to stay consistent. You need to create content for your Pinterest pins that you will use to promote your affiliate links, and you need to do more research, see which services are working, which services people are buying to grow their Pinterest account. Start promoting those services, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Like this video if you want to see more videos like this, new methods about how you can promote your affiliate links using free traffic, and see you in my next videos.